All right, here we go. Getting back in time, do a little ultimate breakfast casserole this time. Now, if you know Chad, go ahead and roast yourself some garlic. That's how Chef likes to do it. And we're gonna need, looks like some milk, some eggs, green bell pepper, white onion, some shredded cheese, sausage, bread, butter, just some seasoning. And here we go. Here we go. If you've seen it before, you never get tired of seeing it as Chef breaks down a green bell pepper. Look how nice that works. There we go. Just breaking it down so smoothly. Like I said, we're gonna get it down to a nice dice. Like I said, we want to dice all the vegetables, but first we're gonna get that rind out, and then we're gonna dice it up, 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 all nice and good. Then like I said, we're gonna get our onion going. We're gonna chunk up that onion. So of course, first we're gonna cut horizontal before we cut vertically a few times, and we're gonna chunk it up, chunk it up. Then we're gonna dust our herbs, parsley, thyme, oregano, rosemary. You know how we do. Get them all going. All right, now we're gonna get our sausage going in our pan. Get the sausage going, and we're gonna get it going and break it up. You know, just nice and get it nice and brown before we add in our veggie mix with the herbs. Like I said, get them all distributed, and then we're gonna, you know, mix those up around. That's right. Just mix it up nice and easy. Like I said, you don't want to spill nothing. Like I said, you probably got a full pan if you're working like we are. Add a little Worcester to it. Stir it back up again so you get that good flavor, get it all cooked together, and then turn off the burner. We're gonna let this cool. All right, now let's break up our eggs. All right, do about a dozen. You know, we're doing 10. I didn't have a full dozen left. We're doing 10 eggs here. Like I said, add in your eggs, crack them up, little milk, little Tony's, salt, and pepper, and here we go, baby. Frisky whiskey. You know how we do. Whisk it up, frisky whiskey. Get it all whisked up really well. Get both those whisk motions down. Like I said, that stabby stab whisk motion as well. Like I said, whisk that all up, get it whisked up. And here, Chad wants you know how beautiful his garlic is. Here you go, beautiful garlic picture. All right, and of course that means we are adding the roasted garlic. That's right, add that roasted garlic in. Then we're gonna butter up our pan, get our pan all ready. Then we're gonna throw our bread layer down. All right, like I said, just get it in there tight. You know, you might have to scrunch a little bit up on the corners, but get your bread down in there. Then we're gonna layer in our meat and our veggie mix. Layer that in there, get that all evenly distributed. Now, finally, we're gonna add in our shredded cheese. Yet again, you wanna distribute that evenly across the board, you know, get a nice, but we like cheese, like I said, cheese it up. Then finally, add in your egg mixture. We're gonna add that in there, add it in, get it all nice down there, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Why? Because we're gonna let this set. You want this set for at least 2 hours, if not overnight. Lets all the flavors go. So like I said, put that in your fridge, let it sit for at least 2 hours. Now, set your time, or set your heat, 375, set your timer too. We're gonna set it to 45 minutes here in a second. But pull your egg mixture, your breakfast casserole out of there. We're gonna throw that in the oven, like I said, at 375, and you set your timer for about 45 minutes. So we're gonna pull it out, take the silver foil off, throw that back in on broil. That's right, we're gonna broil this up for the final 10 minutes and then look at our final product. Here you go. Ooh, look at that. Oh, so good, so good. Oh, all right, it's time to plate it. So we're taking a little sour cream, and we're gonna throw a little of that Jam and Jelly's blackberry hot sauce on there. If you don't have some Jam and Jellies, just get some good hot sauce. If you got blackberry hot sauce, even better. And look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. Breakfast casserole ready for you on your tailgate. All right, so there you go, man. Tailgate Kings bringing you a breakfast casserole. It's perfect for these games that are coming up. Like I said, make in the morning, you can eat it all day. Perfect for holiday gatherings, man. Perfect anytime you want breakfast, just toss in the
it's nice and easy, and as we should, you can do it the night before,
exactly.
And then popping in when you wake up, when you got kids. It's gonna take you about, an hour to cook.
It smells great, looks great.
It's really nice.
Get excited, like I said, we got some Jam and Jellies on there as well. Threw that on there on top. Hey, look, make sure you check out our Twitch. Make sure you check out Spotify for the podcast. Make sure you check out TikTok. Make sure you, like I said, Twitch VBE20 now. Like I said, Casey Jones gonna be doing some NBA 2K and some other stuff on there.
Picking it up and putting it down.
That's right. TikTok, YouTube is where you found the recipe. The Tailgate Kings is where you find it all. All right, we'll be back next week. We're moving on. We got one more recipe to go, pretty much. And then we're gonna move on to
Super Bowl.
All right.
Yep.
Tailgate Kings, stick with us. Coming back, get you some breakfast casserole, baby.
Thank you.